Hey mamas, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaded by Jade. If you are new here, welcome. Today I am doing a try on haul featuring Jurllyshe. So out of all the items that I received, y'all, this is my favorite one, the zebra print set. And I'm going to show you guys how I tie it up. I got it in a large just so that I could be comfortable. But I really love this outfit. I just feel like once you tie it up, it really just, shows the curves. So this second set is really cute. This is the geometric set. I got this in the size medium. I think that I should have got it in the large so that it could probably, cover the butt area a little bit more. But I think this is a cute set to wear to the gym or to just lounge around in the house. I love this set, y'all. It's just so cute, light, and airy. I would definitely wear this in the house just to like lounge around in. You could also wear it outside, but as you see, it is sheer, so that's why I will wear it inside. I made a mistake and got a size small, knowing damn well I should have got a medium or large. So get into this V-neck maxi dress. Y'all, I love this dress. I got it in a size small. It fits like a glove. Look at the shoulders. The shoulders really just give it like that elevated kind of luxury look. And another thing is the dress is a little sheer as well, so you might want to wear a slip, and I got it in a size small. But you gotta make sure you can dance in all your outfits. So this is the Graffiti print dress in a size small. This dress is super cute because you could really just dress it up or dress it down. You could wear, what's them shoes called? The Rick Owens shoes will be really cute with that. Or you could even wear like some knee-high boots or like patent leather boots, wet leather boots to really elevate this look. But it's super cute, and make sure you wear a thong. Girl, I almost fell. But I'm trying to show y'all the pants. This is the slit top and the see-through pants. In the top, I got a size small, and in the pants, I got a size medium. The top is a slit top, so I just tied it on the sides because I just felt like I needed a little bit support. And it shows my curves when you wear it this way, but I thought this would be a really cute look. Again, you could wear this with heels or you could wear it with sneakers. But I think it's pretty cute if you're going for that streetwear look. I also have on black panties with this, as you can see. But this is if you want to be a little risque. You gotta make sure you could twerk in it, So I love this shirt, y'all. This is the smile print shirt. Now, it's considered like an oversized shirt, so I got it in a size small. But I cannot wait to wear this shirt. Did y'all see the back? So cute. I love this shirt because you can get really creative with mixing different colors and, just being a little bit more free when it comes to styling this. But I love this. I tie it up in the back, and I also can tie it up in the front. I prefer the tied up in the front look. I don't know, it's just really cute to me, and it kind of makes it look like a crop top. But you can get really creative when you wear graphic t-shirts. And make sure y'all pay attention to the size chart. I hope you guys enjoyed these looks. All information on these outfits will be in the link in the bio. And make sure you guys take advantage of my special code.